Yo, what's going on? It's your boy Roku Clean the building. Once again with another video, man. Knocking these videos out, man. Ain't y'all proud of me? But nah, man, before we get to it, y'all already know how to do it. Like, share, subscribe, man. Like, share, subscribe. Turn that notification bell on to all, man. So on this episode of what Clee is doing today, we are getting this headliner done. I don't know if you guys can see it, but we need to get this done. We changing that dome light out. I got a new one right here. I'm gonna show you. Ta-da! Got another one, so that'll go right up in there. And I'm gonna get an LED bulb to go in here too, so it'll be nice and bright. So taking it over my to my homie Reno. He the one that did my vinyl top on Eleanor. He did the 3/4 top when I had got it painted. Does amazing work. So what I'm gonna do, so you can match up, because I'm going back navy blue, you guys already know, I'm gonna take this visor off and I'm gonna give it to him, and then he'll match up my fabric, and we'll get the headliner done. So it's a day before. Let me get this light right. It's a day before, so I'm gonna take this. I think today is Sunday. Yeah, Sunday. He's gonna do it in the morning. So I'm gonna take him to vinyl the visor today. He gonna get up in the morning, go get my fabric. I'm gonna drop the car off. Said it should take a couple hours, and we'll knock it out like that. All right, let's do it. So this is what we got. Got the visor out, navy blue. Go ahead and take it to Reno. See if we can get going. Yo, check it out. Before we do all that, got a new rearview mirror. This joint clean, right? Got this from off eBay. This is the same one I got in the box too. Bow, bow, bow. What y'all think, man? Pretty clean, right? Take this old one out, but I don't know if y'all can see, I got cracks in the window. I'm gonna take this window out, get it replaced, and instead of putting this mirror back up there, I'm gonna put this one up. Look good, right? I think so. Yo, next day, I mix them up. But we on the way to Reno, like I said, to go get the headliner done. We got Lola back out, and about to shoot over there, man, real quick. So he said only take a couple hours. So I'm gonna show y'all the before and then the after in this next slide. Y'all tell me what y'all think, man. All right. So here we go. This is the before. Remember, I took that visor out, and here are my trim pieces. But that's the before. You know I gotta get you on the vlog, bro. Y'all see me?
Baby.
Got my man Reno in here working on the boo. We gonna get it done.
Yes, sir.
I already showed y'all the before. I'm gonna put his info in the description, so y'all can holler at him and his bro. Taking over for the 2099 and the 2000.
You already know, church. We out here, we getting it in.
Yeah, y'all holler at my man's Reno, man. He do good work, man. Y'all see what's going on.
We ain't bullshit.
Yeah. All right, bro. Yep. Homie Reno got me together. Y'all see it. New headliner. Yes, sir. New headliner. Yes, sir. Looking good too, man. Like I said, I'm gonna put his info down in the description if y'all want to get some work done. But he knocked this out, man. I'm talking about like not even more than an hour. It's 45 minutes. He was done. Let me know what y'all think, man. New headliner for Lola. That's what y'all think, man. New headliner for Lola. Nah, it's pretty clean though, man. He knocked it out. But I want y'all to check this out. This is my man's shop. T White. He got a lot going on in here, man. He just opened up recently. I'm gonna show y'all some of the work he got going on, and I'm gonna put his information down in the description, so y'all can check him out, man. Instagram and all that. So here we go. Y'all see it, man. My man's T White in here getting it together. Somebody LS is on the way. So gear, axles, big 4Gs. Y'all see it. Like I said, man, I'm gonna put his information down in the description, man. He in here getting to it. Black on, man. T White Customs. Y'all holler at him, man. Y'all see that MC. That boy going crazy. Both MCs, really though. That MC in the back, super going crazy. But that's all I got, y'all. Messing with Lola today. Got the headliner. And we scratching the stuff off the list, man. You know what I'm saying? Let me get up under this light, man. Y'all know I'm dark. There we go. But yeah, we getting it together, man. So probably finish dyeing and spraying my trim panels. Y'all already seen that. I gotta get a new front mirror, little knickknacks. But the major next thing I need to do is change my or fix the hole that's in my floor. So I'm looking for a guy that I trust. The dude over there working. I'm looking for a guy that I trust to do some good work on patching my floor. Like I said, I got the pan. I'm gonna show you guys that on the next video, and we're gonna tackle that, man. So taking them seats out, taking that carpet out, putting all that just taking everything out, man. We making Lola new, man, just like Eleanor, man. We ain't gonna shortcut her, man. So y'all see what's going on, man. Like, share, subscribe. Your boy Clee son, Aircool Clee channel, man. Turn on that notification bell at all, man. Y'all follow me at Aircool Clee on Instagram, and we'll do it like that, man. Until next time, man, I'll holler at y'all.